Shoot at me. Rocket launcher. Fun. What was I even looking at? Oh, this. Alright, we're almost done with this. And we're halfway done with that. Dope. We will get our dailies done. Oh, shit. I feel like I just got the hiccups again. That's the second time today. Oh, what gun do I have? Ouch! Oh, shit. Alright. He'll do it if I want him to do. Or he'll do it if I want him to, and he won't if I don't. Guys, I feel like don't, like, try and pressure people into shit, you know? I feel like that's a very childish thing to do, as I, hiccup all over the place. Dude, it's the third time today I've gotten the hiccups. I got them once this morning, right after I got up. I got them once this morning while I was out and about at the store. And then, yeah. And then no, it's the third time. Yeah, no, it's not. I'm not into that. And neither is anyone in my room. This is a story, and I don't think it's a story we've told many times. I've never told it on here. When I was little, and this is an honest story about peer pressure, and I'll be honest, I was the one pressuring, so this is not about to be a nice story about myself. Me and my sister wanted to go play on my dad's boat. And it was off limits for a fucking reason, guys. You, as kids, you should not play around on a boat. And we convinced our cousin. He did not want to do it. We're not allowed. Like, we're not supposed to go play on your dad's boat. We were like, check in, like, come play. Like, my cousin got his finger chopped off. He didn't want to be there. He didn't, me and my sister called him a baby and a chicken. And we got him to play on the boat with us, and my cousin is missing the whole, I don't remember which finger it is, but he's missing, like, a whole ass part of his finger because of us. So guys, peer pressure, it's not a good thing. You will regret it later on. You have to time out. I've seen peer pressure go wrong so many times. I feel like people think it's funny. People think it's, not gonna hurt anything. And, you never know till your cousin's missing his fucking finger. I honestly don't know if he's ever, like, truly forgiven us for that. Like, he says that, like, it's fine, but, like, the dude's missing his finger because of us. You can never take that back. You can't. So, guys, just don't peer pressure people. You never know what you're gonna make them do. Exactly. It's never a good thing. What did I just... Where'd my gun go? Guys, I had a submachine gun and now I don't. Did I not have a submachine gun? This is about to be some dumb shit. What the fuck? I'm reloading on both my guns? See that, guys? We won. Fuck the hiccups, guys. Oh. Thank you so much. Good morning, good morning. Oh, you know, you can listen to me squeak. Jesus, it's every couple seconds. Oh, I got the hiccups, but good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, just the right gun. Okay. It's time to get out of here. You guys hear this dumb shit? Like, squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Alright, where was the gas station? Oh, that's where I was gonna try and head, but I don't know where it is. Just hold my breath for a bit. The only thing that I've honestly found that helps is drinking, like, something warm. The fuck did this little worm just go? It was right here. Alright, we were looking for the gas station. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Shit. Alright, which building's the tallest? We're gonna try jumping off the gas station. Honestly, I feel like most of them don't work now. What the fuck? I feel like I keep getting caught on shit. Oh damn, they're all the way over there. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! My health's almost gone! My health's almost gone, guys! Oh fuck, I thought I won. So close. Alright, we need one more daily done. Guys, I just keep hiccuping. Whoops. Okay. Thank the bus driver. No, yeah. I feel like they're very disruptive. Like, your whole fucking body moves, and it's just like... It is slow. Yeah. Alright, we need a gun. Jesus. Ooh. It's a guard over there. Oh! Oh! Oh, somebody's shooting at me from over there. Guys! Shoot at each other! That's how this is supposed to work.